This is the slab of wax I'm going to be doing, and I got to cut all of this. This whole piece of wax and it's really hard to cut, so I'm gonna cut the rest and I will be back. Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, I'm Haley. So the wax is all cut here, and remember, when you're using the knife, safety first. These are my two cousins, Narak. Hi. And Micah. Hi. And they're gonna be helping me make candles. So let's go. So we're gonna be putting the wax in this crock pot here, and it's set to 200 degrees. So I put about 6 pieces of wax in there, and we're gonna let the wax melt. Hey guys, Narak had to leave, but we still have Micah. So the wax is all melted. We have to transfer the wax from that pot to this pitcher. These are 16-ounce jars, and we're gonna be using 2 cups of wax into this jar.
So guys, if you're younger like me, ask an adult for help.
So we're going to be mixing the scent and the color in the wax, and my color is Coral Reef, which is kind of a reddish color.
And my color is Perfect Ivory.
And the scent is passion fruit and guava. It smells super good. Don't worry guys, the link to all the products will be in the description down below. I'm gonna use half a jar because I want the scent to really be strong, but you can use how much you want according to how you want it to smell. If you hear noise in the background, that's just the movie Hairspray. Comment down below if you've seen it. So I ended up using the whole bottle of scent, which is 1 ounce, and we really wanted the scent to be really strong. So we're gonna do 2 eye drops of red and 1 eye drop of white. The scent smells really good, guys. So I'm just gonna mix it. The color is like a reddish, honeyish color. It looks really pretty. It smells really good.
Good.
So for this step, you need a wick and a wick holder. So you're gonna put your wick in, and you're gonna slide the wick through the wick holder. That's good. And make sure, try to lay it like flat. And if you can't, that's fine. The next step is to pour the wax into the jar, but I'm gonna get help with that, so I'm gonna be back with the wax in the jar. Remember guys, since this is hot, I'm getting a little bit I'm getting help from my aunt.
Since it was so pink, we added a little magenta.
The color is really pretty. It's a little bit darker now. It looks more like a passion fruit color. I really like this color. Okay guys, so this whole picture made these 6 jars, and that's about 88 ounces of wax. That's a lot of wax. And the color is super pretty. I love the scent.
You can even smell it like all the way from here. And as you see, it's like hardening up at the bottom.
And if you see these silver things, wondering what they are for, it's so the wick does not move, so make sure that wick does not move out of its place. So that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe button, and that notification bell so you will get notified when I post a new video. Bye.
Bye.
Hold on. You were kind of fuzzy. Do that one more time. I'm sorry, it wasn't clear. Hold on.
I mean,
1, 2, 3.
And go. Action.
Come on, Nadia.
Action.
are we recording?
Is she recording?
Yes.
This is the
No,
sla-
wait. You didn't even introduce yourself. Say, hey guys.
Exactly.
No, I'm not doing my real intro yet.
Oh, okay.
It's actually recording.
No, yeah, she was just doing that part, but I can't. Ain't nothing in me gonna let that go.
No, it's dry.
It's
Come on, so you
recording.
can make me say handles.
We're making candles.
Exactly.
It's recording too.
Yeah.
Okay.
Jojo, can I make some hot dogs?
Okay. Can we go? And 1, 2. What you come back and say?
Okay, guys.
And 1. Sorry, cut. And 1, 2.
Bye.
Bye.